Many home buyers today seek open spaces and greenery as compulsory features in the projects and development they consider for purchase. In order to cater to their demands, a lot of developers today are creating projects with dedicated green areas. VVIP Meridians is one such project which promises to offer buyers nearly 80% greenery in their project layout. Hello friends, I am Ravi Kumar Divakar and welcome to this project review on MBTV. Today I have come to Noida Extension to review the VVIP Meridian project and examine its connectivity, specification, price and size along with amenities being offered inside the society. Located at Sector 4, the Noida Greater Noida Link Road connects the project to parts of Delhi, Meerut, Aligarh, Agra and Mathura. The Ghaziabad railway station lies around 19.7 km away from the project. The social and physical amenities Noida Extension or Greater Noida West, as it is also known as, are still at nascent stage. Though a few shopping malls and shopping complexes are functioning in some housing societies, the area is home to a number of projects mostly by developers from Delhi NCR, which are at different stages of completion. Near VVIP Meridian Towers, there are many prominent developers like Gaur, ATS, Mahagun, etc. The nearest metro station is Noida Sector 52 station on Blue Line, which is 11 km away. The GT road is about 8 km from the project, which further connects it to the Ghaziabad and Eastern Peripheral Expressway. The Indira Gandhi International Airport is 41 km from VVIP Meridian by the Vikas Marg. The VVIP Meridian is spread across 8 acres. The project claims to provide spacious living along with eco-friendly design. Apartments here come with designer tiles with matching ceramic ware across all rooms. According to the developer, the layout of the flats are designed to allow the morning sunshine into the flats. Further, the developer claims to provide designer light fixtures to create a unique lighting experience. The VVIP group has been in the real estate sector for about a decade. The developer has completed residential projects such as VVIP Homes in Greater Noida West, VVIP Addresses, VVIP Asset and VVIP Suites in Ghaziabad. Some ongoing projects are VVIP Mangal, VVIP Nest, VVIP Nivas in Ghaziabad and VVIP Meridian in Greater Noida West. Now let us get inside the flat and see what all you are going to get. As you enter this 4 BHK plus servant room apartment, first thing that you are going to see is the servant room. Now as you can see, the servant room is also spacious enough. A small bed can be put up here and you can see there is an attached bathroom also along with the servant room. Fixtures, if I talk about, you are going to get of quality. There are vitrified tiles which have been used inside this bathroom, and for ventilation there is a window which has been provided in this apartment. As we come out from the servant room and move through a foyer, you are going to see a grand living room. This is a drawing room which is 22 by 16 in size, and you can see the height of the living room which is more than 10 feet. And if I talk about the features, right now as you can see there are lightings, fixtures and fans that you are going to get in this apartment. Builder is going to offer you this semi-furnished apartment and you are going to get AC, fans, fixtures and everything. The flat is going to be as it is. This living room flooring is different from the bedroom flooring. Attached with the living room, you are going to get this 5 feet balcony. You can see spacious enough and you can easily put 2-3 chairs and enjoy the green area outside from here. Now let us talk about the most important part of a house, which is kitchen. Builder is offering you a modular kitchen. As you can see, you are going to get all this already done, and he is offering you one hob and chimney which is an automatic. You can see it works on the hand gestures. So if I do this, you can see the chimney has started, and if I do this, chimney will be switched off. And if I talk about the cupboards area, you can see spacious cupboards have been provided and you can use it as per your requirements. Now I'm going to show you the first bedroom of this apartment. You can see the wallpaper here. It is already going to be there when you buy this flat. And if I talk about the bathrooms, you are going to get quality fixtures. Glossera fixtures have been provided by the developer. Vitrified tiles have been used in the bathroom. In this bedroom, builder is offering one curtain, one AC, fan, cupboards and fixtures also. In the first bedroom, flooring vitrified tiles have been used, you can see. And if I go just outside the bedroom, you can see attached balcony has been provided. This is a 5 feet balcony. Now I am going to show you the master bedroom. You can see the flooring. This is tile basically, but it looks like a wooden flooring. And fixtures also, you are going to see the fans, AC, everything you are going to get as it is in this apartment. Attached with the master bedroom, you are going to get this spacious bathroom. And if I talk about these features, you can see in the mirror also smart features have been used. You can switch off the light from the mirror itself. Now if I move forward, shower area has been provided separately in this bathroom of master bedroom. This area, if you talk about, this is a wardrobe area. You can see if I open this wardrobe, you can see the light switches on automatically. This has been done in all the cupboards. Glass panels have been used outside and it looks really good. Attached with this master bedroom, you are going to get this balcony which is 5 feet in size. And if you stand here in this balcony, in front of you are going to get a big green area. Now we are in the third bedroom of this apartment. If I show you, if I open this door, we enter into a balcony. We are entering into its bathroom. You can see the fixtures is used of Glossera and there is a shower area. Tiles, fixtures, everything you can see you are going to get as it is when you buy this flat. Now I am going to show you the last bedroom of this apartment. As we move forward, you can see there is an attached bathroom. Fixtures again is of Glossera. And designer tiles have been used in this bathroom also. If we move further in this bedroom and remove this curtain, you can see there is a attached balcony. You can keep a small size bed in this room, and if I show you the wardrobe area, you can see the light switch is on. Now let us talk about the project amenities. It offers yoga meditation area, amphitheater, badminton court, basketball court, squash court, tennis court, clubhouse and Vastu compliant flats among other facilities. VVIP Meridian Towers offers 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments. The size can range between 1090 square feet to 2630 square feet. The price can range here between 46 lakhs and can go above rupees 1 crore. GST and registration charges extra. When it comes to Greater Noida West locality price range, it can range between 3500 to 5500 per square feet. For more information on the project, locality, price details, please visit magicbricks.com. Upcoming infrastructure projects like Greater Noida West Metro and Noida Airport in Jewar are some of the key highlights of Greater Noida West. The list of amenities along with claimed greenery of 80% and developing social physical infrastructure can be some of the key takeaways from VVIP Meridians. However, the location currently lacks public transport and ongoing construction around the locality is something that you need to consider while buying a flat here. Plus, Sectors 4 is yet to come up and establish locality, so buyers can expect some civic issues in addition to our mentioned problems. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Project Review. This is Ravi Kumar Divakar with my cameraman Manish Sharma.